Welcome to the stunning gated community nestled in the heart of Riverside, California. Today we have the pleasure of presenting a magnificent Pulte Homes model home tour that epitomizes luxury living. This exquisite residence boasts 6 spacious bedrooms, 5 elegant bathrooms, and a convenient 2-car garage, all complemented by a charming loft space. Step inside to discover an expansive open floor plan, spanning approximately 3,336 square feet, adorned with lofty ceilings that enhance the sense of grandeur and space. Join us as we explore this exceptional home, adorned with optional builder upgrades, promising a lifestyle of unparalleled comfort and sophistication. The heart of social gatherings is this expansive great room, designed to elevate your hosting experience. Featuring a stylish lighting fixture, this inviting space offers the perfect ambiance for relaxation and entertainment. Adjacent to the kitchen and dining area, it seamlessly integrates convenience and comfort, creating a welcoming environment for both residents and guests alike. If you'd like to stay updated with more content like this, please subscribe so you never miss out on any future videos. Adjacent to the great room, the kitchen nook offers a cozy spot for casual dining or enjoying a morning cup of coffee. Its strategic placement ensures seamless connectivity between the kitchen and living spaces. Indulge your culinary passions in the exquisite kitchen, adorned with stunning countertops and a beautiful backsplash that elevate its aesthetic appeal. Equipped with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances including an oven, microwave, cooktop stove, and dishwasher, it ensures both functionality and style. The single basin sink not only provides a picturesque view of the great room, but also offers a convenient access to the adjacent dishwasher. Enhancing both utility and charm, the center island features a breakfast bar, perfect for casual dining, complemented by pendant lighting and plenty of storage below, catering to your every culinary need with flair. Indulge in the tranquility of our meticulously crafted study work area, meticulously curated to offer a serene sanctuary fostering productivity and unwavering focus. Conveniently located, the storage closet offers practical storage solutions for keeping your belongings organized and easily accessible. I hope you are enjoying this video so far. I'm curious, where are you watching from? Please leave a comment of your state in the comments below. If you know someone who enjoys model house tours, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Additionally, if you're interested in exploring new homes similar to this one, please contact me so we can schedule a tour together. The kitchen boasts a spacious walk-in pantry, offering ample storage solutions that are as practical as they are convenient, enhancing the functionality of this culinary haven. The downstairs suite, an option in lieu of a 3rd-car garage, is a wonderful living space with a window allowing ample natural light and a stylish lighting fixture to enhance its ambiance. Complete with its own private bathroom, a spacious walk-in closet, and a convenient linen closet, this suite offers privacy and luxury for its occupants. This home is equipped with heating and air conditioning systems, ensuring comfort and climate control throughout the year. This home incorporates green features, including dual-pane, energy-efficient Low-E glass windows and patio doors, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, and recessed LED lighting, promoting energy efficiency and sustainability. In addition, the community is governed by a homeowners association, ensuring well-maintained amenities and shared spaces. Conveniently located near shopping centers and major freeways, residents enjoy easy access to everyday essentials and transportation routes. There is direct access to the 2-car garage, however it was locked during our home tour. If you're enjoying the video so far, we would greatly appreciate it if you can give it a like. Your support means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. As you navigate the hallway, you'll encounter a convenient storage closet, providing extensive space for organizing everyday essentials. Additionally, beneath the stairs, an additional area awaits, offering even more storage options to keep your home tidy and organized. The dining area is illuminated by natural light streaming through a large window, creating a bright and airy ambiance that enhances the dining experience, making every mealtime a delightful affair. The guest bathroom offers a comprehensive array of amenities, including cabinets, a sink, a mirror, a toilet, and a bathtub with a shower. This ensures both convenience and ease for your guests, creating a welcoming environment for their stay. The second bedroom on the main level boasts natural light streaming in through the front window, enhancing its inviting ambiance. Complete with a light fixture and a spacious closet, it is also carpeted, adding a cozy touch to the space. What's your favorite room so far in this beautiful home? Please let me know in the comments below. A linen closet is conveniently located in the hallway, providing storage space for towels, bedding, and other essentials, ensuring a tidy and organized home. Isn't this home exquisite, and its size is truly remarkable? But wait, there's more to explore. Let's continue our journey and venture upstairs to discover even more of this captivating residence. Explore this expansive loft, adorned with large windows, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Enhanced by recessed lighting and a ceiling fan, this versatile area offers endless possibilities. Whether you seek a tranquil spot for relaxation, a focused space for studying, an entertaining game room, or the perfect venue for lively slumber parties. The third bedroom features a window that invites natural light and a lighting fixture adorned with a fan and complemented by recessed lighting. Additionally, it is carpeted, contributing to the room's inviting atmosphere, and features a spacious closet for added convenience. If you're considering selling your home in the Southern California area and would like me to represent you and be featured on this channel, I'd be honored to assist you. Please don't hesitate to reach out and let me know how I can support you in achieving your real estate goals. On the upper level, you'll find a well-appointed guest bathroom featuring cabinets, a sink, a mirror, toilet, and a bathtub with a shower, ensuring privacy and ease of use for occupants. In the hallway, you'll find a linen closet perfect for storing towels, bedding, and other essentials, ensuring a neat and organized living space. The fourth bedroom is illuminated by plenty of natural light streaming through its windows, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. Enhanced by a lighting fixture, the room offers a comfortable ambiance, complemented by plush carpeting. Additionally, it includes a spacious walk-in closet, providing generous storage space for clothing and personal belongings. The fourth bedroom conveniently connects to the Jack and Jill bathroom, offering shared access with its adjacent room. Within this arrangement, the room enjoys its own sink, mirror, and cabinets, providing personalized amenities for occupants. Additionally, the bathroom features a shared toilet and a bathtub with a shower, ensuring practicality and comfort for all users. The fifth bedroom boasts a window that invites ample natural light, a lighting fixture illuminating the space, and recessed lighting adding to the ambiance. Additionally, it features plush carpeting for comfort and a walk-in closet for storage, ensuring it serves as a comfortable and versatile living area. A Jack and Jill bathroom connects the fourth and fifth bedrooms, offering convenience and privacy for both spaces. Each bedroom enjoys its own sink, mirror, and cabinets, providing personalized grooming areas. The laundry room, complete with washer and dryer hookups, provides the ultimate convenience for your laundering needs. With the inclusion of cabinets both above and below, this space offers abundant storage for all your supplies, ensuring a clutter-free environment, making laundry day a breeze. Discover tranquility in the exquisite primary suite, thoughtfully positioned a bit away from the other bedrooms for utmost convenience and privacy. Adorned with windows that flood the space with natural light, complemented by recessed lighting and a stylish fixture, this retreat exudes warmth and sophistication. Enhanced by plush carpeting underfoot and offering serene views of the backyard, the owner's suite promises a haven of comfort and relaxation. In the luxurious oasis of the ensuite primary bathroom, spaciousness and indulgence intertwine seamlessly. Luxuriate in the choice between a refreshing shower and a separate bathtub, ensuring a personalized bathing experience tailored to your preferences. Additionally, the ensuite bathroom boasts recessed lighting, providing serene ambiance that complements its beauty. With the inclusion of cabinets and dual sinks, functionality meets elegance in this thoughtfully designed space. Boasting ample room to move and unwind, this sanctuary features a generously sized walk-in closet, offering abundant space to accommodate both winter and summer wardrobes with ease. The ensuite primary bathroom offers the convenience of a private water closet, complete with a toilet for added privacy. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California region and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The backyard presents a plethora of opportunities for leisure and enjoyment, inviting you to embrace Southern California's stunning weather to the fullest. Whether you're indulging in gardening, losing yourself in a good book, or simply basking in the warm sun, this tranquil oasis provides the perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. Located in a prestigious community, this residence epitomizes luxury living at its finest. With its unparalleled craftsmanship, modern amenities, and prime location, this home is more than just a dwelling. It's a testament to refined living. Experience the epitome of California living in this magnificent home, a place where elegance meets comfort, and every detail is crafted with your utmost satisfaction in mind. Wasn't this home lovely? If you love this home, you will enjoy these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California area and want to sell your house or buy your next home, please call me, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Please consider also subscribing, and I'll see you in these next two videos.